Who can rock a Tide Business Bank account? It might be you. Intro. Upbeat music with visuals of a bustling business district. Ever feel like running a business is a constant battle against the tide? You're paddling hard, keeping your head above water, but the waves just keep coming. Payroll needs swamp you, invoices get lost in the ocean of paperwork, and your time gets swept away by a million little tasks. Wouldn't it be amazing to have a business banking solution that actually helps you navigate the financial currents? One that's designed to streamline your day and keep you afloat? Well, fret no more, fellow entrepreneur. Because today, we're diving deep into Tide Business Bank. What is Tide Business Bank? Music transitions to a smoother, more informative tone. Visuals shift to a split screen with a person using a banking app on one side and a sleek, branded image of Tide on the other. Tide isn't your average bank. It's a financial platform built specifically for small businesses. They offer a suite of tools to help you manage your money efficiently, automate tasks, and free up your time to focus on what matters most, growing your business. So who can actually benefit from a Tide Business Bank account? Music picks up slightly. Visuals transition to a dynamic collage showing diverse small businesses, a coffee shop, a clothing boutique, a freelance photographer. This might surprise you, but Tide is perfect for a wider range of businesses than you might think. Here's the breakdown. Freelancers and solopreneurs, if you're a one-person powerhouse, juggling invoices and expenses can be a nightmare. Tide helps you separate your business finances from your personal accounts and makes it easy to track income and outgoings. Plus, you can send professional-looking invoices directly from the platform. Brick-and-mortar businesses, whether you run a cozy bookstore or a bustling restaurant, Tide streamlines your day-to-day banking. Deposit checks remotely, manage payroll with a few clicks, and get instant notifications when transactions happen. No more waiting in long lines at the bank. E-commerce businesses, selling online comes with unique challenges. Tide integrates seamlessly with popular e-commerce platforms, making it easy to reconcile your sales and keep your books organized. But wait, there's more. Music builds in anticipation. Visuals showcase features of the Tide app. Here are some additional features that make Tide a great fit for many businesses. Free mobile app, manage your finances on the go. Check your balance, transfer funds, and even pay bills, all from the palm of your hand. No monthly fees. Unlike traditional banks, Tide doesn't charge you a monthly service fee. You only pay for what you use, which makes it a budget-friendly option for businesses of all sizes. Multiple account options. Tide offers different account tiers with varying features. So you can choose the one that best suits your business needs and budget. Are there any eligibility requirements? Music transitions to a more serious tone. Visuals shift to a checklist on screen. While Tide is open to a wide range of businesses, there are a few basic things to keep in mind. You'll need to be a resident of the United States and be at least 18 years old. You'll need a valid Social Security number or Employer Identification Number, EIN. Your business needs to be a legal entity, such as a sole proprietorship, LLC, or corporation. Is Tide right for you? Music transitions back to a positive, upbeat tone. Visuals show a business owner working confidently on their laptop. Only you can decide that. But if you're tired of traditional banking hassles and want a platform designed to empower small businesses, then Tide might just be your perfect financial wave. Take some time to explore their website, check out their features, and see if it aligns with your business needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.